Well, good morning. It is 8:52. The storm is finally gone and the sun is in the sky. And it is a lovely morning. The birds are out by the feeder, and you can see by looking at that little table out there that we did get a good amount of snow. Also, the pots on the deck are just, well, they're gone. The trees look so beautiful this morning. Really nice. Birds are having a good time out there this morning. Alright, well, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go out to the front. Alright, we are in the front now. Oh, the wind's still blowing pretty good out here. It's about 25 degrees. We got a little trail now coming from the front door. Mostly ladybug tracks. Alright. Sounds like a little more traffic on the interstate this morning, but not much. Around the neighborhood here, in the old cul-de-sac. Oh yeah, it is chilly out here. Well, the storm is finally all past now. Hopefully you enjoyed my series of videos that I posted. If you like them, subscribe. Well, this has been a lot of fun, and thank you for watching all my videos.